In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to zoom a video in VLC Media Player step by step, so you can focus on specific areas of a video, crop out distractions, or simply get a closer look at details on your screen. VLC is one of the most popular free media players in the world, and a lot of people don't realize it has a built-in interactive zoom feature that works in real time. Whether you're watching a tutorial, analyzing footage, or just trying to zoom into part of a movie, this method works on both Windows and macOS. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open the VLC Media Player application on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from the official VideoLAN website. Once VLC is open, you'll see the main player window. Next, load the video file you want to watch. You can do this by clicking on Media in the top left corner and selecting Open File, or you can simply drag and drop your video file directly into the VLC window. Once the video starts playing, pause it for a moment so it's easier to adjust the settings. Now, move your cursor up to the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, select Effects and Filters. This will open a new window called Adjustments and Effects, which is where VLC stores all of its video enhancement options. Inside the Adjustments and Effects window, make sure you are on the Video Effects tab. This section controls visual changes like cropping, rotation, and zooming. Within Video Effects, click on the Geometry subtab. This is where the zoom feature is located. In the Geometry tab, look for an option called Interactive Zoom. Check the box next to Interactive Zoom to enable it. As soon as you do this, VLC will activate the zoom overlay on your video. After enabling Interactive Zoom, you can click Close to exit the Adjustments and Effects window. If you want this zoom feature to stay enabled every time you open VLC in the future, you can click Save before closing. Otherwise, VLC will only apply this setting for your current session. Now, look at the video playback area. You should see a small picture-in-picture style window appear in the top left corner of the video. This small window represents the full frame of your video, with a rectangle inside it showing the zoomed area. To move the zoom section, simply click and drag the rectangle inside this small window. As you move it around, the main video will zoom into that specific area in real time. This is extremely useful if you're trying to focus on text, faces, or details that are hard to see at normal size. To control how close the zoom is, use the small slider next to the interactive zoom window. Dragging the slider will increase or decrease the zoom depth. Adjust it slowly until you get the level of magnification that looks best without losing too much quality. Once you're done zooming, you can turn off interactive zoom at any time by going back to Tools, Effects and Filters, Video Effects, Geometry, and unchecking the interactive zoom box. And that's it. You've now learned how to zoom a video in VLC Media Player using the built-in interactive zoom feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more VLC tips and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.